Today's Tips du Jour mailbag question comes to us from Japan. Robert, I have made a few classical guitars and have always shaped the headstock by hand. Can you recommend a jig that will speed the process and make it more precise? Shigeko in Japan. And I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Forgive me if I'm not. And by the way, this is the first question ever from Japan. I've also done it by hand, and I've also done it using jigs. The jigs, in my opinion, are much easier and repeatable and more precise. However, some of them are a little cumbersome to use. The setup takes a little bit, so it's a little hard to get used to them. Recently, LMI came out with one that I really like. Setup is quick and easy, and it makes this process very quick and precise. So let me show it to you. This is the LMI headstock drilling and slotting jig. The compact tool design assists with two challenging tasks in guitar making: headstock tuner hole drilling and slotting. The tuner hole drilling method is designed for a drill press for stable, accurate, and perpendicular tuner holes. This jig is used to drill standard 35mm tuner hole spacing and supports both 10mm classical tuners as well as 6mm steel string tuners with or without the bushing. The setup on this jig is quick and flexible. The tuner hole drill blocks can be swapped out to match whether you're doing a steel string or a classical. Also, the offset of the holes is not exactly centered, so there's a slight offset. You can swap it around, get it a little bit closer to the thickness of your peg head. To fine tune it, it comes with a set of shims that you can place on to get exactly in the middle of where you want to drill. Once you have the correct setup for your headstock configuration, use the drill hole alignment plate to center the drill block and then lock it in place with these knobs. Also available from LMI are a variety of acrylic slotting templates. These dimensions are taken directly from the LMI plans, and they are pin registered for an exact match. For custom slot wall thicknesses, you can adjust the template by referencing the engraved positioning scale on each template. The 4 toggle clamps provide secure, quick clamping of the headstock for both your drilling and your slotting operations. And finally, the entire jig is machined from Richlite, a very rigid, dense, stable composite product that is 100% recycled material. The LMI headstock drilling and slotting jig makes a difficult task quick and precise every time. So, Shigeko all the way over there in Japan. Arigato and happy building.